bottle. Take it fast, but they're only going backwards. Always thought it'd be forever. Looks like there's nothing left.
Thanking God for healing. Trauma no longer blinding my perception. Sour D's and coffee, early shift in every session. Leverage every tool of mine. Carving out the space just so we can take our time. Across landmines, hands tied behind my back. But Britain made me promise never let nobody hold you back. No one ever told you that. My heart hurts more for you. For my next trick, I take all your pain and hold it for you. Vodka or holy oil, I need to feel liberated. Hype beats and white sheets, one hell of a demonstration. 12 overdressed for the occasion. But never mind, I'll take the doors off for ventilation. The top two, when nothing moves without you. These hand-me-downs we outgrew. Refuse to sell my soul, didn't know what it amount to. Who was counting moving mountains? The sheep gon' doubt it. Wolves hunting formation, ain't no waiting for allowance. Or 360, on a pissy mattress, back when nothing mattered. Now I need the data, business still in Napa. R.I.P. the jacker, titled every chapter, the beginning. Every crop needs water, every harvest needs trimming.
Probably fell for my life, but I know my granny pray. Never fret, keep a pole just in case. Food in the jungle, we gon' say grace. And stay getting to the cash in Jesus' name.
Can't see outside of surviving. My dead partner on my pendant just to make sure I'm shining. Bonded over purpose, so this can't be divided. Didn't want no static, they just needed reminded. But then ignited the gas over Lil D. Cut with cyanide, signed the penalty. When we talking wealth, we talking spiritually. Silver lining, silver spoon, lighter underneath. Now stepped on, right my wrongs, let it come to me.